Hello backers, and basically welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be making paella, but except this time it's going to be paella with pasta. Okay, let's get to it. Right, so this recipe I've got 150 milligrams of olive oil, 200 grams of Fideuas, and half chopped onion, and 2 finely sliced garlic cloves, and 1 finely sliced tomato, and a raw seafood selection with also some peeled prawns. Okay. Right, so I've heated a pan for around, some of the olive oil. So this is a large pan which is recommended, so I'm adding some of dried Fideus. Okay, so what you need to do now is start coating them in the olive oil like so, and cook for around 5 minutes until it consists of being golden brown. Okay. Right, so as soon as the Fideus are at this consistency, I'm gonna put these to the side for the time being. So what I'm doing now is I poured in the rest of the olive oil, and I'm now adding the squids. And you've got to be really careful with squids because they do spit water at you. Also add in some salt as well. Right, I'm also giving them a quick stir, like I said before. These are notorious for spitting water at you, so you need to be really careful with these. So once it's at this consistency, I'm gonna pour in the chopped onions and garlic. These little blighters in as well, and personally I'm going to put in the rest of the seafood. Okay. Okay, so the juice from the packages I'm going to save for later on. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave to cook until everything is dark and golden and brown. Once everything is out of this consistency, add some saffron. Okay. And a tablespoon of paprika and the chopped tomatoes. Okay, so well, what you do now is you stir on quite a regular basis until everything has dissolved like so. Okay, so I'm going to add some of the stock, crumble it into the mixture, and fish stock it is, and pour in 1000 millimeters of water. Okay. And I think personally I'm gonna pour the juice in as well to add a little bit of flavour as well to it. Okay. And I'm gonna turn it up to number 6 on the electric oven to bring to a boil. Okay, so once it's been bubbling for around about 10 minutes now, you have to decide for yourself when adding the pasta if whether or not there's enough water in there to complete and absorb all the remaining liquid to complete cooking of this. So personally I think there is enough water in there, so I'm gonna add the Fideus again. Okay, so just stir them in to immerse them. Okay, so I've covered it up after adding the pasta in, and I'm going to do this until all of the liquid has absorbed. Okay, so once the liquid is all absorbed, and it's at this consistency, take it off the heat and leave it for a minute. Right, so okay, there is your Spanish seafood pasta, also known as a paella with Fideus. Okay, so that wraps it up for this video. So okay, if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe to this video and the channel, please, and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on another YouTube video when I upload it. And also please don't forget to comment and like and give me a thumbs up. That certainly helps with the algorithm. And also don't forget, if you're whether or not you're autistic or not and want to learn to cook, do remember I have your back.